Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any gadget, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and organizing and cleaning hacks we've got in this video. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. We've got this cooker. There are some kitchen gadgets. Let's see what this lady's using in her kitchen. She's preparing something to eat. That's fish. She's frying fish. It makes the task easier and fast. This is another beautiful apartment. We've got this lady again. We've got this sponge you can use for cleaning your shoes. We've got this small closet where you can put your shoes. This is a folding shelf. We've got this frying pan you can use for making omelette. We've got this tool you can use for boiling eggs. And this rice cooker. We've got this lady, she's doing the laundry, and we've got this electric cleaner or brush you can use for brushing off your blankets and sheets. We've got this bigger plastic washing machine. This one is bigger than the first one. We've got this box where you can put your makeup stuff. And with her housework, we've got this lady. Let's see the tools she's using in her beautiful apartment. She's having a shower. We've got this sponge again, and this product you can use for cleaning your shoes. This is another plastic washing machine. This one is medium. We've got this electric pan you can use for cooking food. We've got this egg holder, and this curl brush. We've got this juicer. You can use it for making different types of juice. We've got this small brush you can use for the corners. All these gadgets and products here are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just go to Amazon and order the product that you want to get. We've got this box again you can use for your
敌军还有30秒到达战场。
He's done with this lady. Let's see what's in her beautiful apartment. She's gonna mop the floor. She's sweeping it first. She's mopping now using this folding mop. She's doing her bed. We've got this rice cooker again. Making omelets using this frying pan. You've got this organizer you can use for your clothes. These gadgets, they are really amazing. They make the tasks easier and fast. We've got this small shelf and this box again. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.